my life as a CBSU student na taga-Albay. For today's vlog, isa-share ko sa inyo ang aming simple family outing and swimming experience as part of our final requirement in recreation and leisure management. Honestly, isa ito sa mga projects na talagang na-appreciate ko as a student because instead na puro stressful requirements, nabigyan kami ng chance na mag-relax, mag-enjoy, and spend quality time with our loved ones habang may natututunan pa rin tungkol sa recreation and leisure. I feel lucky na ganito yung naging task namin because aside from completing a school requirement, nakakapagpahinga rin kami mentally and emotionally from academics. And isa rin siguro ito sa klase ng project na hindi mahirap humingi ng panggasa sa parents kasi sila rin mismo ma-enjoy yung experience. Hindi lang kami students yung nagbe-benefits, kundi pati family namin nakakapag-bonding and nakakapag-relax rin. So for today, samahan niyo ako sa aming family outing here at 24/7 Balikbayan Resort. Tara, let's go! Right now, naghahanda kami ng mga gamit and food na dadalhin namin for today's outing. Nakaka-excite talaga yung mga ganitong moments because hindi lang siya tungkol sa paggawa ng vlog or requirement. It's also about creating memories with family. As a tourism student, malaking bagay rin talaga na matutunan namin kung gaano ka-importante ang leisure and recreation sa overall well-being ng isang tao. Currently, on the way na kami sa resort. Minsan, kahit simpleng travel lang, malaking tulong na siya para makapag-unwind and mawala yung stress from school. And finally, nandito na kami. Super relaxing ang place and perfect talaga for family bonding. One of the recreational activities we did today is swimming and family bonding. Pinili namin itong activity because aside from fun siya, nakakatulong din siya physically, mentally, and emotionally. Swimming is also a good form of exercise, while bonding with family helps strengthen relationships and reduce stress. Honestly, mas nakakagana gumawa ng school requirement kapag ganito ka-enjoy yung activity. Through this experience, na-realize ko na recreation and leisure activities are really important in our daily lives. Based on our recreation and leisure management subject, leisure activities help improve our physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being. And today, napatunayan ko talaga na kahit simpleng outing lang, malaking impact na siya sa happiness and relaxation ng isang tao. My favorite part of this experience is definitely the bonding moments with my family. Yung simpleng tawanan, chikahan, pagkain together, and pag-enjoy sa tubig. Those are the moments na mas nagiging special because we rarely get this kind of complete bonding due to busy schedules. And that's the end of my vlog. This experience reminded me that school requirements don't always have to be stressful. Sometimes, projects like this also give students the opportunity to relax, enjoy, and spend time with their loved ones. Thank you so much for watching my A Day in My Life as a CBSU student na taga-Albay. I hope na inspired din kayo to value recreation, leisure, and family bonding. See you in my next vlog. Bye!